Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the RENEE Midnight Combo, a 3-piece makeup kit with Kajal, eyeliner, and mascara, all in the darkest black shade you can imagine. This set promises long-lasting, smudge-proof wear infused with vitamin E, and it's travel-friendly too, perfect for weddings, gifting, or just slaying your everyday look. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First up, the Midnight Kohl Pencil. It's creamy jet black and glides on so smoothly with just one swipe. I'm lining my upper lid from the inner corner out, and wow, the pigmentation is intense, no tugging at all. I also tried it on my waterline and it's giving that bold, defined look I love. Next, the Midnight Matte Eyeliner. This one's a liquid liner with a fine tip for precision. Starting from the outer corner, I'm drawing a sleek wing and moving inward. The formula dries fast to a matte finish and doesn't budge. It's enriched with vitamin E, aloe vera, and chamomile, so it feels gentle on my skin too. Finally, the Midnight Mascara. It's got a 360-degree wand that grabs every lash. I'm brushing upward from root to tip on my upper lashes, then sweeping outward on the lowers. It volumizes, lengthens, and doesn't clump even after 2 coats. The black is so deep it makes my eyes pop. This trio is waterproof and smudge-proof. I wore it all day and it stayed flawless through heat and humidity. The travel-friendly size is a bonus. I can toss it in my bag for touch-ups anywhere. It's ideal for bold, dramatic looks or subtle everyday glam, and the vitamin E infusion keeps my eyes happy. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full eye look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me your fave from this combo or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, beauties. Let's keep slaying those bold eye looks together.